Embedding models capture the meaning of the text more effectively when the underlying data is clean and noise-free. Careful pre-processing can significantly improve the accuracy and quality of your search results. Let us look at some popular pre-processing techniques for denoising data before storing it in a vector database. One pre-processing technique is optical character recognition, which extracts text from scanned images. Typical example includes receipts, manuals, research papers, or any paper-based document in your organization where you only have a scanned image and no system-readable text. There are numerous traditional and AI-based OCR solutions for this task, including tools that are designed to handle large volumes of scanned images with high accuracy and automation. Document format parsing is a technique where documents that are stored in formats such as HTML, PDF, or Word are converted into clean text by removing non-essential layout artifacts such as headers, footers, tags, embedded objects, and boilerplate elements. The goal is to extract meaningful text while removing unnecessary elements and preserving the logical structure of the document, such as sections, lists, tables, etc. The cleaned content is then normalized into a standard schema for later ingestion. Document parsing improves semantic indexing of data in the vector databases. Another popular pre-processing step is extraction of text from tables, as many documents store critical information such as metrics, comparisons, and structured facts in tabular formats. Embedding models work best with linear text. Tables in documents result in fragmented or loose context that misses the row-column relationships. A common approach is to pre-process tables into linear representations, such as markdown or sentences that explicitly preserve row-column relationship before embedding. There are many hosted and open source solutions for document parsing and table extraction, such as LlamaParse, DocLink, Marker, Amazon Textract, Unstructured IO, etc. This is not a comprehensive list, just a few options to get you started. Different tools offer different capabilities. Some provide OCR capability along with document and table parsing, such as LlamaParse. Some are good at layout parsing of complex, deeply nested tables, such as docling, while others prioritize scalability and high accuracy on well structured documents with simpler tables, such as Amazon Textract. You should carefully evaluate candidate tools on your own documents before making a choice. Open sources like Docling or Marker can be self hosted, which is often important for compliance reasons, while hosted services provide managed scalability and operational performance out of the box. Removal of duplicate data is another important pre-processing step. Having duplicate chunks can fill up your vector search results with the same information, increasing prompt length without adding any value. You can deduplicate your data before indexing by using a sentence embedding model to embed chunks and then loading these embeddings into an in-memory vector index using open source libraries such as Fias. By running a nearest neighbor search and inspecting similarity scores, you can identify groups of highly similar chunks and keep only one representative from each group. Another useful pre-processing step is to use a large language model to create a 1 to 2 sentence contextual summary of each chunk and then include it in the chunk before embedding. This can improve retrieval quality because the summary highlights the salient meaning and can compensate for any noisy or incomplete raw text in the chunk. The steps are to generate contextual summary for the chunk using a large language model and then prepend or append this summary to the chunk's body before embedding, and then index the combined text. A longer contextual summary or abstract can also be stored as metadata on the chunk and used later for re ranking or display during retrieval, for example, using it as extra feature for a large language model or re ranker to score the results. Besides these popular techniques, redaction of sensitive data from documents is another pre-processing step that you can take. This can be done by either using a rule based system that uses regular expressions or code to redact sensitive data. You can also have an AI based solution, such as a locally hosted large language model for identifying and redacting sensitive data, and then have a human in loop for validation of the results. This was the high level overview of some popular pre processing steps that are taken in vector database knowledge ingestion pipeline.